Good afternoon. This is TATOLI News Agency, bringing you the latest updates from Timor-Leste and around the world. Today at the Presidential Palace, an important milestone was unfolded, bringing you the latest updates of today's key events, reaffirming the nation's commitment to justice and diplomacy. President José Ramos Horta presided over the official swearing-in ceremony of the new president of the court, Judge Afonso Carmona. The appointment is made official through the Presidential Decree number 35, 2025, published on April 29, 2025. Judge Carmona, who previously served as the administrative judge of the Dili District Court, now steps into a crucial leadership role within Timor-Leste's judicial system. In his address, President José Ramos Horta emphasized the importance of a strong and independent judiciary to uphold the rule of law and democratic principles. He also called on Judge Carmona to lead the judiciary with integrity, transparency, and dedication to justice for all citizens. Today's ceremony was attended by high-level officials, judicial authorities, and members of the diplomatic corps, highlighting the significance of this transition for the future of Timor-Leste's legal system. The new president of the court highlighted a few points, which was to modernize the judicial system, increase the number of judges, strengthen the capacity of judges, and as well as promote career development of judges, along with the President of the Republic highlighting a few key points, which was to continue to strengthen public trust in the judicial system, ensure timely access to justice, maintain the independence of the courts, collaborate effectively with other branches of government. And that wraps up today's major events from the Presidential Palace, where important steps were taken to strengthen both our diplomatic ties and judiciary leadership. And with the appointment of a new president of the court in Timor-Leste, we continue to move forward in its commitment to justice, integrity, and the rule of law. With a leadership renewed, the pillars of justice stand stronger than it ever has. May wisdom and fairness guide this new era for our nation's judiciary. I'm Ding Sarao. Thank you for tuning in.